Here's a video on the simple shift cable adjustment on the Coleman UT400. So here's the points that you're going to adjust. I'm using a 7/8 wrench. It's probably a metric size, but this one's nice and long. So first thing you want to do is make sure the machine is in zero. Clockwise and counterclockwise on these threads is in relationship to the actual point of entry where it connects. So you're looking at it from this direction. So we want this nut to move up away from the bracket. So I'm going to move that one in a counterclockwise. Okay. What you want to do is just take any tension off of that connection there. And this nut you want to go clockwise because the bracket is above it. So this will make that nut go down. You can see I have it adjusted pretty much to go into forward. You can tell by the amount of threads on each side. But anyway, it's in neutral. Jiggle it around and get it to where it is in a comfortable spot. Turn this nut clockwise to bring it into the bracket. Turn this one counterclockwise to bring it up to the bracket. Okay. And then you want to tighten it up. Now hang on, because there's probably a fine adjustment you're going to have to do after this, but I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so tighten this down. Okay, it's not all the way tight. I'll do that later. Hello, Dave here. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, so after doing that adjustment, you might have trouble getting into forward or reverse. Driving around a little bit, shift the gears, and see if you're having that issue. If you're having trouble with it going into forward, I'll use that for an example. From the point here, it pushes the inner cable through the housing. It pushes it, and at the other end, it has to extend the cable out. So what you want to do is you want to move the threaded part up towards the point where it is pushing. That'll give you more throw forward. So in order to do that, you want to turn this nut clockwise to bring it down, and then turn this nut clockwise to bring it down, and that in effect will bring this threaded part, it will move it up. As you can see, I have mine adjusted to give it as much forward as I can at this location. If I need more, I'm going to have to go under the seat and do the adjustment under there. Now, if you're having trouble getting it into reverse, when it goes into reverse, this inner part pulls out of this outer section. So you want to move this threaded part back that way to give this more cable to come out. So again, loosen this all back up, and you want to turn this one clockwise and tighten it down to the lower one, and that should give you the throw you'll need for reverse. No, I'm sorry, you'll need to turn this one counterclockwise and then this one counterclockwise to move this threaded part down. That will give you more pull. Don't do a lot at one time. Do a few turns and try it. Drive it around and just keep repeating that procedure. If that doesn't work for you, I made a video called Won't Go Into Gear, and that is one that required some major modification back here at this point. Hopefully, these simple adjustments will work for you. Okay, so now we'll test and see if the adjustments worked. that seems to be good. So I'm going to just tighten everything down. It feels good. Drive it some, and if it needs to be fine-tuned again, I carry that wrench in my glove box just in case.